Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can add new account on your Instagram. So if you know, there's a feature in Instagram which allows you to switch from one account into another if you have multiple accounts. So I will show you how you guys can add another account on your Instagram so you can switch from one into another easily. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, after you open Instagram, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on your Instagram's profile, it's going to bring you to your Instagram profile, and over there at the top you can see Witchy6777. That's the username of my account. In your case, it's going to show you your username. So what you want to do is just click on the username of your Instagram account, and it's going to show you the add account option at the bottom. What you want to do is click on add account, and once you click on add account, it's going to give you two options: log into existing account or create a new account. Now if you don't have an account, then you need to create an account, so you need to click on the second option called create new account. But if you already have an account and you just want to log in into it, then click on log into existing accounts, and it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can enter your phone number, your username, or your email of your account, and once you do that, where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter your password, you can click on login, and if your username and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. And if you forgot your password, you can also click on the forgot password option to recover it. Once you add your account on Instagram, in order to switch into account, you can just come back to your Instagram, click on your Instagram, username at the top, and from all this account you want to choose which you want to log in into. Just click on it and you should be able to log in into that one. So that's how you guys can add new account on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.